So if you're looking for a long-range scooter with all the bells and whistles at a great price, you should look at this one right here. This is from the company Mearth, an Australian company. And this just might be the best scooter I've ever had. Let me tell you all the details about this, plus a really good discount code for my viewers. And hey, if you are living down under, let me know in the comments with an oi, oi, oi.
Mr. Black.
Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, especially e-scooters and e-skateboards, things that get me out of the house. Although right now you're going, wait, you're not out of the house. Well, I live in Australia and it's summertime, and yeah, I was gonna do the full review outside, but you know, it's still summertime in Queensland, and this is just 5 minutes later, so back inside. Yeah, I didn't think you wanted to see my gross, sweaty face this whole video. By the way, if you're new here, don't be a stranger, and links to everything will be down in the description, including where to buy this and that awesome discount code and a surprise link. All right, here we go. So here is the Mearth RS, ultimate long-range electric scooter, extremely easy out-of-the-box setup, and that double peel satisfaction. It has a magnesium alloy chassis, which will last a long time. And I love the cable management on this. You know, you just have the cables for the brakes, but everything else is kind of within the scooter. It has a very comfortable and wide deck to stand on. The wheel is 10 inches around, all terrain and extra wide, and the maximum load weight is 100 kilograms. It's higher up than most scooters, giving you a 12 centimeter ground clearance. And I love how they have this hook right here. So if you wanted to put your bag, or you wanted to go to the store to get some takeout or some drinks, well, you could just hook your bag up right here. The handlebars are really comfortable. They provide an easy grip, and the throttle is very easy to use. And I just love these kinds of throttles because they're easy to grip. And a massive LED screen, which will show you the speed and your battery status. There are 4 brakes on this thing. You have double disc brakes, energy recovery brake, and the rear step-on brake. It has a front LED light and a rear backlight, and a little bell to get people's attention when you want them to get out the way. And it rides really smooth. It has a 500-watt motor to give you top speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. It goes up hills at a 25% incline. But one of the big features is the maximum range. This thing will take you 65 kilometers on a single charge. And that range varies by driving conditions and the rider's weight. But still, that's a long distance. I can get into the city and back from where I live, and that is something that I couldn't achieve on any of the other scooters that I've had. It has an IPX4 waterproof rating, so it won't ruin it to be in the rain, but they say, you know, don't ride in the rain for liability reasons. And the other thing I love about this thing is it's powerful, but it's really quiet. Like, listen to the sound. And let's just compare that to my EScooter scooter. Yeah, that's a big difference. Now, a very important feature is it has a removable battery. And why that's important is, you know, like after a few years when, you know, batteries do decay and deplete, you can actually just get a new one and just put it in yourself. Or you can get extra batteries to travel with you. If you're going on like a long trip, you throw a couple in your backpack, you just swap them out when one dies. To fold this thing is super easy. It's just a 1 second, 1 click. Pop this latch up, fold it down, and you just click it into the back. And then when you're ready to go, you just push down, lift it up, put up the latch. It's so easy. It weighs 23 kilograms. It's not light, but it's also not too big as well. It fits nicely in the trunk of my car. Actually, sorry, I'm in Australia, so we'll call it the boot. So all in all, I love this scooter, and I think Whiskey loves it too. The design is great. It has a lot of power and longevity, removable battery, easy folding system, just beautiful. And I think that it would be hard to find a better scooter that does all of this at this price point. That's right, it comes in under $1,300 dues. And if you use my coupon code, you save an extra $130. And I will do a follow-up video on this later on, especially comparing it to other scooters, because some scooters might fit different needs that people have, but I think that this one will tick all of the boxes, especially for somebody that's new to the scooter world. All right, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. More product reviews and fun videos to be had on this channel, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.